वालिदैन से गुजारिश है कि स्कूल के YouTube चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए। इसका फ़ायदा ये होगा कि बच्चों के लिए जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड की जाएगी तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएगा और आपके एंड में आ जाएगा।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 4 from unit number 2. It's on page number 41. So beta, let's start learning. Students, our new chapter name is sorting materials. So we'll discuss about sorting materials. It means we will learn in this chapter about how to sort the material according to the utility. Right? तरतीब हमें चीज़ों को कैसे देना होता है, ठीक है। चीज़ों को तरतीब कैसे दी जाए, हमने ये सीखना है कि हम तरतीब क्यों देते हैं, वाई डू वी सॉर्ट द थिंग्स। उनकी ज़रूरत के मुताबिक हम क्या करते हैं, तरतीब देते हैं चीज़ों को। सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव अ ड्राइंग रूम। ड्राइंग रूम में क्या होता है, वी हैव अ सोफा सेट, अ टेलीविजन, अ सेंट्रल टेबल। इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द किचन, वी हैव यूटेंसिल्स, गैस स्टोव, राइट। सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव सॉर्टेड आउट द मटीरियल ऑफ द किचन एंड ड्राइंग रूम अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूटिलिटी। ओके, इज दैट क्लियर बेटा? Beta, first of all, you must know that what is classification. So, classification is a grouping similar things according to some basis or criteria. Beta, why do we classify the things? So that it becomes convenient for the family members to find the things and use them easily. If we will not classify the things, so we would feel problem to find them again. Okay, for example beta, these are the balls. These are the red balls, yellow balls, and if I ask you to classify them on the basis of colors, then what would you do? You would separate the red balls, you would separate the yellow balls, right? This is what? This is the classification on the basis of colors. Beta, here you can see the stationery. जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, these are not arranged or sorted. So what would you feel? You will feel difficulty when you need any pencil, any color. So यहाँ आप देखें, all the things, all the stationery things and objects, calculator, everything is sorted. Now आप क्या कर सकते हैं, easily कोई भी color अगर आपको चाहिए तो you can pick the color, anything you want. So is that clear what I mean by classification and why do we need classification? Beta, here we learn about the classification of material. Beta, why do we classify the material? Because it is impossible to learn about each and everything around us separately. So to make it easy, what do? We group the things on the basis of their properties. So beta, what I mean by property or properties? Beta, the property is the appearance and behavior of material. Means कि वो object किस तरह का दिखता है and what is its function. Okay, students, now we will learn about the classification of materials. So beta, we always classify the things on the basis of properties. So property number 1 is they may have different shapes and colors. For example, we have a group of cups and cups have different shapes and colors. And the point number 2 is they are made up of different materials. Okay, the cups may be made up of different materials. Point number 3 is they have different uses. Okay, so let us take an example to make it clear. For example, there are tables, desks and chairs. These are same. These are made up of same material, but their uses are different. Okay, now you can see the kitchen utensils. These are different from each other, okay, and made up of different material, and their uses are also different, but all are used in kitchen. Are you getting my point? So we always classify the things on the basis of their properties. I hope it is clear to you. Now beta we will learn about the advantages of classification. Beta, number one is classification makes the study of the large number of different types of objects easy. It means जब large number of different types of objects हमारे पास होंगे तो हम उन्हें classify करेंगे, फिर उनकी study हमारे लिए बहुत easy हो जाएगी. Point number 2 is classification makes it easy to judge difference between the two groups. When we will make the groups, so we would know this was the difference between these two things, so that they are classified differently. Number 3 is it gives a general idea about all the items in a group. For example, जैसे अभी हमने टेबल, चेयर और डेस्क की बात की कि हमने उन्हें एक ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर दिया. अब बेटा वी हैव नाउ जनरल आइडिया कि ये चीज़ें जो हैं किस मटेरियल से बनी हैं, इनका यूज़ क्या है. ओवरऑल वी नो और वी हैव द जनरल आइडिया अबाउट दैट ग्रुप. नाउ आई एम असाइनिंग यू योर होम टास्क. Question number 1 is, what are the advantages of classification? Question number 2 is, what is classification? Beta, here in the last I have assigned you an activity from your book. Activity number 1. Make a list of 10 things around you in your notebook. Write the materials from which they are made. Also mention their use. One example is shown below. You can take help from this example. Beta, it's really important to attempt the home task which I give you. So please make sure to attempt the home task. I'll be waiting for you. Okay? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
वालिदैन से गुजारिश है कि दिया गया होमवर्क अपनी निगरानी में करवाएं और इसका टेस्ट खुद या ट्यूटर से करवा के इसकी पिक्चर लेकर स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड कीजिए ताकि टीचर बच्चे का होमवर्क चेक कर सके. व्हाट्सएप करने के लिए स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 032431000802. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.